question 8 of exercise 4.3. Question 8 is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in country like India, it is measured in Celsius. The unit of temperature is Fahrenheit in US and Canada, and unit of temperature is Celsius in India. Okay, here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is a linear equation that is provided in the question itself, or we can say that this is a relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius that we are provided. Now, the first part of this question is, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. And you know very well that if you are drawing a graph for a linear equation in two variables, you will mention x-axis and y-axis. Now, it is already mentioned in the question that you will take Celsius for x-axis. So, it is Celsius and Fahrenheit. And Fahrenheit is y-axis. Now, it is a linear equation that we are provided and we have to draw its graph. It is very simple. For drawing a graph of linear equation, what do we need? We need two solutions that is satisfying the given equation. So, first solution is, if we put C is equal to 0. For first solution, put Celsius is equal to 0. So, the equation is F is equal to this multiply 0. It will give you 0 plus 32. That will be 32. So, first solution is C is equal to 0. It means x-axis is 0 and y is 32. This is the first solution. Now, for second solution, what will you do? You will put F is equal to 0 and find the corresponding value for C. So, put F is equal to 0. It means 9 by 5 multiplied by C plus 32 is equal to 0. So, you can write 9 by 5 C is equal to minus 32. That 32 will go to that side with minus sign. At the value of C is minus 32 upon 9 by 5. This 9 by 5 will go to that side with division sign, and you can solve this as minus 32 upon 9, and this 5 will come up and it will give you 5 to the 10 minus 160 upon 9, and minus 160 upon 9 can be written as 9 ones are 9 and 7 0. So 9 sevens are and this 7. It means 17 point something. Okay, 17.1779. This is the value. So you can write the next solution as C is equal to minus 17 7 by 9 comma 7 by 9 comma F is equal to 0. This is the another solution that will satisfy the given equation. Now, the next step is you have to draw these 2 points. So, what will you do? First is 0, 32. So, I am mentioning the scale here. First of all, write it 0. Now, I am taking 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Here 8, 16, same way minus 8, minus 16, minus 24, and same minus 8, minus 16 and minus 24. If you had a graph or you have a Cartesian plane, then first most important thing is you will mention the measurement or you will mention the unit. So 1 unit is equal to 8 centimeter because you are taking gap of 8, 8, 8. So 1 unit is equal to 8 centimeter. Now plot the points. Where is the first point? 0, 32. It means x-axis is 0, y is 32. point is here. Second point is minus 17 point something. It means it will be greater than minus 16 and it will lie in between these two, and y-axis is 0. It means it will lie on x-axis. So let the point is here. Okay. So now the final step is you have to join these points. You have to join these points to make a line, and this line is an equation of f is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. Now the second part is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? It means 30 degrees Celsius is the value of C. C is equal to 30 and you have to find the value of F. So you can easily find by, as you can put C is equal to 30 in given equation. So first you will write, put C is equal to 30 degree. It implies F is equal to 9 by 5 multiply C. C is 30 plus 32. So it will give you 5 6 are 9 6 are 54 and 54 plus 32. It will give you 86 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so you can say that if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then the temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 86 degree. Okay. This is the answer. Now, third part is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Now, you have to find the value of C and value of F is given. So, put F is equal to 95 in above equation or in given equation. So, if F is equal to 95, it implies 95 is equal to 9 by 5 multiply C plus 32. It will give you, this 32 will go to that side with minus sign. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. And finally it will give you 5 minus 2, that will give you 3, and 9 minus 3 is 6. 63 is equal to 9 by 5 C. Now you can find the value of C from here, as C is equal to 63 and this 9 by 5 will go to that side in division. And finally the value of C is 63 upon 9 and this 5 will come upside. 9 7s are 7 5 35 degrees Celsius. So if F is equal to 95 degree, so temperature in Celsius is equal to 35 degree. This is the answer for third part. Now the fourth part is, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? It is already done in first part. From when we draw the graph of a linear equation, this linear equation, we found that if C is equal to 0, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, it means C is equal to 0, then the value of F is 9 by 5 multiply C. C is 0 plus 32. It will give you 32 degree. So the first part is, if temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 32 degree. Very good. And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, it means the value of F is 0. Put 0. 9 by 5 C plus 32. And you found the value of C as 9 by 5. C is equal to minus 32 and C will be minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. It will give you minus 160 by 9. This is the temperature in Celsius. Now the last part is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Read the statement again. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. What does this mean? This means if F is equal to C, then we can find the value of temperature. If it exists, then find it. So first of all, put F is equal to C. Why? Because it is saying that is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both. So first of all, F is equal to C. It means C is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. C minus 9 by 5C is equal to 32. Now take the LCM. It will give you 5C minus 9C is equal to 32 minus 4C upon 5 is equal to 32. It will give you minus 4C is equal to 32 multiply 5, and the value of C will be now, it will give you minus C is equal to 32 minus C is equal to 32 multiply 5, and this 4 will go with division. 4 8s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So C will be minus 40. It means you can say that yes, there exists a temperature which is numerically the same in both, because you have taken F is equal to C. If C is equal to minus 40 degree, it implies F is also equal to minus 40 degree. So yes, the temperature exists and the value is minus 40 degree.